Lyft and DoorDash dropping to all-time lows today. Uber dropping by as much as 17% before paring some of its losses. Tim, you basically sell fast fire because you highlighted the fact that you actually picked Lyft as your, what was a 5-year stock, long-term stock, whatever it was.
We played another yet fun game, which doesn't feel so fun right now, but I gave myself 5 years. And what I pointed out about Lyft, and I'm going to say, and we've said this, though, recently, there are some news headlines that seem to punish stocks over and over again. Punish them again. To me, with Lyft, we've punished them on their driver issues already. We've punished them on lack of drivers. We've punished them on the ability to actually see that start to normalize. And to me, I understand that this is pressure. This also feels like another one of those administration kind of statements at a time of midterm elections that's going to be particularly popular. So I'm not even sure they can do this. So I look at this kind of weakness, and I think this is actually an idiosyncratic way to get long. I actually like it here in this kind of weakness. I'm not running from that pick.
Yeah, Tim, I think Tim makes a very good point. I mean, they've already had this battle in California. Slightly different battleground, but same battle. And we already know, like, the weapons in tow. So, I was a bit surprised to see the exacerbated move here. I will say that I wonder what the implications are in terms of the unemployment rate. Because you have all these people that are having work from home or perhaps working multiple jobs and are able to support themselves and have some worker flexibility. If all of these are brought in-house, how is this constructive for employment? Now, perhaps this is what the Fed wants. They want this unemployment rate to tick up. But is this really where it's going to happen in a meaningful way and slow spending? I don't really see the correlation between someone who's driving Uber and Lyft and door dashing and really taking out of the housing market and taking out of the equity market and taking out of consumer spending. I'm having a hard time putting those two pieces together.
I think a big issue that investors have to grapple with is having gig workers. Is that a core part of the business model, right? Is that so important to the business model that if you took it away, it deserves a discount to where it's trading right now, Dan?
I don't think it deserves a discount. When you look at the valuation of Lyft, on a GAAP basis, they're not making money right now, not expected to do that for a couple of years. But I think to Tim's point, I mean, this is an industry that's here to stay. They're focused here on North America. I guess right now, the question that investors have, do the unit economics make any sense in these businesses? And I know some very smart investors have been asking this question for a very long time. And if you look at a stock like this at all-time lows, you'd say, well, they don't, okay? But here's the deal. They have half their $3.9 billion market cap in cash. They have about $1 billion in debt. You can do that math on the enterprise value here, expected to grow sales continually. So if they're going to continue to lose money, I mean, there has to be some light at the end of the tunnel. But I think this looks like a very cheap asset to me down here. I also said that in September. I bought it when Tim had his 5-year thing.
Oh, you
I had to sell it, but I sold it, and I took a loss. But if I hadn't sold it, it would have been a bigger loss. But it's going to be a hat size, people. Like, again, this goes back to my final trade. Remember when I said,
big head.
I don't know how you suggest buying anything in this market right now other than puts.
Yeah.
So just so people know, a hat size is something south of 10.
Right. Yeah.
Right?
Presumably.
We were talking about how big,
I'm 7.
People with big heads on Wall Street.
Right.
Sure.
Yeah. So I think that, I mean, clearly these stocks were really penalized today a lot. I don't know if this bad news is fully priced in, but it certainly isn't a certainty that it will happen.
Sure.
Right? So this, to me, I like your idiosyncratic, opportunity to get in. I think, this is a market where any whiff of bad news, panic and sell and then figure it out later. So this is an opportunity, I think.